Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, you'll learn how to merge queries. One of the common operations you will perform when you're bringing data into the Power BI is to merge data together, just like doing a join operation if you were writing a SQL query statement. In the previous video, you learned how to append queries. Inside my Power BI desktop file here, I've got all these model queries that I imported into my Power BI desktop. So let's edit them inside the Power Query Editor. So I click on Edit Queries and then click Edit Queries, and that will load the queries inside my Power Query Editor. So the two tables or queries I want to merge together is the product and the manufacturer. When you are merging queries together, it's kind of like a joint operation, just like you perform in a SQL query statement. You have to look for identical columns that are present in both queries in order to merge or join them together. So let's click on this product query, and we can see these are all the columns of the product query. We can see it's got manufacturer ID and it's got a manufacturer. If I click on the manufacturer query, it's got both the manufacturer ID and the manufacturer. So we've got these two columns that are also present in the product query. So they are identical columns. So we can perform the merge or the join operation based on identical columns. So I've got my product query selected. In the menu options here, I can click on merge queries, click merge, and that will give me a dialog box. So this is the host query. So I need to select the other query I want to merge with. So on the drop down, I select manufacturer. So I've selected the two tables that I want to take part in the merge or join operation. You also have to specify the columns that are going to be participating in the operation. So I want the manufacturer from this product query and also the manufacturer from this manufacturer query. When you're performing a merge or a join operation, you have to specify the type. Here we've got the join kind. If you click on the drop down, there are different join operations you can perform just like you would in a SQL query. So I'm going to perform the left outer, which would be left outer. That is all the columns from the first and any column that matches in the second. So it will join all the columns from the first and then anyone that matches. So the only thing that matches on the second is these two, manufacturer ID and manufacturer, but we're joining via the manufacturer column. So once we've got that specified, we just click on the OK button to perform the join. You can see here the join operation has taken place. So we've got the manufacturer ID, we've got the manufacturer, and then we've got the manufacturer from the participating table that took part in the join. So you can click it. At the moment, it's just showing as table. If you click on this button here, you can select which of the columns that you want to appear. So if I don't want the manufacturer ID to appear, I can just select this one here. So for now, I'm just going to leave all these columns. I click OK, and you can see here is saying manufacturer.1, basically meaning it's representing the content from the other query. So that's basically how you merge queries, and you can also tweak and perform further transformation after you have done the merge. For example, you could remove columns that you feel that might be redundant and then further transform your data. So the steps you took are always recorded here under the applied steps. So if you want to revoke any action, you just come here and delete the step from the apply step, and that will revoke the action you've performed. As always, anytime you make changes or transformation to your data, you need to come to this close and apply, and then apply the relevant changes if you want to apply them back into the Power BI desktop. In this video, you learned how to merge queries. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.